Full-time furniture flipping, part 53. Today we finished up on measuring the drawers, creating the lines and the semicircles for the cutouts. It's our first time trying to do these rounded cutouts, and to be honest, last night was pretty rough, but today's going by much more smoothly. I mentioned it in our last reel, but the jigsaw we're using to do this is not ideal. It's not quite powerful enough to get the job done, so everything just smells like it's burning. One thing that did make things much easier for us today was drilling 4 starter holes for the jigsaw instead of just 2. That way we were able to knock out the straight lines and finish off the cut towards the top of the circle. We really hate this jigsaw, but we found one on Facebook Marketplace that we're going to buy tomorrow, so we'll pick back up on cutting the drawers another day. Like and follow to see what we tackle tomorrow.